More Walgreens deals this week. For the next few videos, I'm going to be back to my old setup. If you have been following me for a while, you're going to notice what I mean. So let's get started into these savings. I have posted a few videos already. If you haven't seen them, check them out. But I'm going to show you what I did with 3 photos that I picked up. Picked up 3 photos. I got 3 of these, and then how I put them into transactions. I'm gonna go one by one in order. So this is gonna be the first video. Keep watching, like and follow so that you can continue to receive notifications of the videos when I post them and get tons of savings, but also share so that more people could enjoy the savings just like you and I. And let's literally get into the video. So the first transaction I did these transactions last night. So I did it on Monday, today's Tuesday. The first transaction was on these diapers. So there are no digital coupons for these diapers, but they do give back $10 in a register reward. So you get this back to be able to use in the future purchases. Just make sure that you understand. I don't know if you have seen my videos, but if you haven't or you don't know what's going on at Walgreens, the register rewards are not rolling. So if I got this on diapers, I cannot use it on diapers again because then I don't get um, the $10 printed that second time. However, some stores are giving a few issues, so be careful. Just, I'm going to show you the savings and then I'm going to give you a little tip afterwards. Okay, so again, I picked up 4 of these, and the reason I picked them up, it is 2 packs for $21. But in order for you to get the $10 printed, you have to get at least $35 or more. So that way, if you pick up 3, you still won't be at that threshold. So I had to pick up 4 for a total of $42, and here it is, $42, so 21.21. And then I used $10 of a register reward that I actually had gotten for the Batiste dry shampoo. I have those videos here if you want to check that out. I picked up the Batiste deal. I got the $10 and I rolled it into this transaction because it has nothing to do with the shampoo, and that way it would go through. So what's going on at Walgreens, and here's a tip, is that let's say you do a transaction like I did on the hair products. If I use them again on the same hair products, even if I use a different account or the same one, it doesn't matter. They will not generate the reward again. Once you used it, you don't get anything else. But if you take that $10 and you roll it into a transaction like this one that has nothing to do with it, then this one will generate its rewards back. Okay, so it's a little confusing. If you have any questions on that, let me know in the comments and I'll clarify even more or even further. But let's keep on with this transaction. So I did use a register reward to help me lower the cost, but I'm not using that in the math that I'm showing you. Let's get into the breakdown so you can understand a little bit better. So again, that's $42 for the 4 packs. And then you have to pay that amount out of pocket because there's no digital coupons that are come off. If you don't have anything to help you lower the cost like I did, then this is how much you would pay. Minus the $10 that I got back for that register reward. And then I used one of the 3 spend 15, get 5 perks that I received from the pictures. And so minus 5. So at the end for the 4 packs is 27, and when you divide that by 4, each pack is going to come out to $6.75. Remember to stay tuned for the other videos that I'm going to be showing more transaction. And if you haven't seen my videos so far this week, go check them out. Like and follow for more notifications on videos that I'll be posting, and share so that more people can enjoy the savings. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.